Ever pondered the wellness secrets hidden within the humble avocado? Its tale is as rich and creamy as its flesh, tracing back to the ancient Aztecs who revered this fruit for its bounty of health benefits. Picture this: the year is around 7000 BC. In the lush, teeming forests of Central and South America, the avocado tree first spread its roots. These ancient cultures, from the Aztecs to the Incas, held the avocado in high esteem, deeming it a symbol of love and fertility. They were the first to discover the wellness secrets that lay within its rough exterior, the fruit we now know as the avocado. The avocado journeyed from these ancient civilizations across the globe. Spanish explorers savored its unique flavor, and by the turn of the 20th century, this exotic fruit had charmed its way into the hearts and kitchens of North America. But the allure of the avocado extends beyond its creamy texture and versatile flavor. This emerald treasure is a powerhouse of nutrients, packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and nearly 20 vitamins and minerals. It's no wonder that the avocado has earned the moniker of superfood. The avocado's high content of potassium aids in maintaining electrical gradients in the body's cells, while its abundance of monounsaturated fats promotes heart health by reducing levels of bad cholesterol. Its richness in fiber aids digestion, while the presence of antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin benefits eye health. And let's not forget about its ample supply of vitamin K, crucial for bone health. But the wellness benefits of the avocado aren't limited to the physical realm. This nutritious fruit also supports mental well-being. Its high levels of folate and vitamin B6 help regulate brain chemicals that influence mood and sleep, making avocados a natural mood booster. So, as our journey through the history and wellness benefits of the avocado comes to an end, remember this: the avocado is more than just a fruit. It's a testament to nature's bounty, a symbol of love and fertility, and a powerhouse of nutrients. It's a superfood that has traveled through time and across cultures, bringing wellness and joy with every creamy bite. The avocado, with its rich history and even richer health benefits, truly stands as a testament to the old adage, good things come in small packages. So the next time you slice open an avocado, remember its journey from ancient forests to your plate, and savor not just its taste, but also the wellness it brings.